Good evening, ma'am. My name is Ronnie P. Pakot, Section India. I choose the major categories, which is physical security. Physical security is a type of security that focuses on protecting physical assets such as building, equipment, and people from unauthorized access or damage. It involves the implement physical barriers, access control, surveillance, and other measures to determine and prevent threats. Physical security can help strengthening other categories of security such as information. Physical security measures can help to protect information by securing the device and infrastructure that stores, processes it. For example, access control system can restrict who has physical access to servers and other IT equipment, and video surveillance can monitor and record activity data center. Personal security. Physical security measures can help protect personnel by providing a safe and secure work environment. For example, security guard can patrol the premises to deter criminal activity and emerges. Response plans can help to ensure the safety and employees during crisis. Operation security can physical security measures can help to protect operation by preventing unauthorized access to critical infrastructures and equipment. For example, access control system and biometric and authentication can restrict who has access to sensitive areas, and fire suppression system can help to prevent damage to critical equipment. Cybersecurity, physical security can help to protect against cyber threats by securing the physical infrastructures that support information technology. For example, firewalls and instructions detention system can be physical secured to prevent tampering, and backup system can help store securities, prevent loss and theft. Physical security can help to strengthen the categories of security by providing the first line of defense against threats. By implementing physical security measures, organization can reduce the risk of security breach and ensure that safety and protection of their assets and personnel.